Oh my gosh, guys, I was so excited. I needed to cut my hair, but I was loving my little hair, but I was like, it's time for something new. So your girl had to go ahead and comb it out, and I was kind of surprised about how much my hair grew. I had a whole little baby fro, and just go ahead and rock it out. Okay, now in this video you're gonna see me do a full transformation, and if you're new to me, hi, I'm Dominique Nash. I'm the mom of Welcome to the Nash House, and I'm a retired hairstylist and licensed too. I went to cosmetology school, and I worked, and I got married, and I retired, had our kids, and I still do hair. I just do my hair, my kids, and stuff like that. And sometimes you just want to switch it up. So if you're new here, you will see me do my hair in different styles from time to time. I love being able to express myself with colors in my hair and my makeup. So I also, and I'm a natural talent, y'all. Do not listen. You can leave some harsh comments if you want to. I don't care. I will still comment back and be like, okay, cousin, well, I am who I am. Okay, but your girl love to do a nice artistic look. I can do makeup, but I do like to create the strange and unusual. I mean, makeup is so fun. To me, it equates the same as doing hair. So being able to be creative with it is amazing. Now, let me know in the comments what you think of this full transformation and what color should we do next. Bye, cousin.